Test mic, test mic. So, welcome to Grow with Google. Okay. What is Grow with Google? Okay. Diba? Ito siya. About how Grow with Google. Pindutin natin. Andito yung mga courses and tools for your business or career. So, it can guide you towards new opportunities by equipping you with digital skills for the changing landscape. Okay, what's in it for you? So madami dito. So let's start with the tools. Okay, just to reiterate, ito lang siya. Just type on your browser grow.google. Okay, ito na siya. You can find solutions for you to improve your business or career growth. Madami. Browse nyo lang siya. Ganito. Meron ditong makukuha na free access and you'll gain a professional certificate or the foundation certificate depending upon the availability of your time and dedication. So, ito. What you would like to learn. So, madami. So, yan. So, pindot-pindot lang. Yan. So, this is the beginning. Ito, may mga free courses. Ayan. May mga free certification. Ayan. O, di ba? Ang daming options. And paid certification. Ito sila. Oh, okay. This is, meron din, may Audacity for Coursera, ah, TensorFlow, Google Developers. So, madaming in connection. Mm. And punta tayo sa career certificates. Anong meron dito? So, why it is very important for you to understand, especially if you're a parent, kapag we are right now in the AI age, uh, though given may mga scholarships na binibigay, but those curriculums and those types of learnings are kind of obsolete na. So if you are a responsible parent or parents, you need to understand that those things are not uh, uh, appropriate anymore. Okay, whether you are uh, new or beginner, expert level, these things are Uh, it doesn't matter if you have finished college in the past. Those are obsolete things na. So if you're planning to understand what is the current technology, Google made this platform for everyone to learn. So it can prepare you for a career in a high growth field without any prior experience. These career certificates offer professional training designed by Google to help you connect with top employers. Okay? Ito yung para sa gusto magtrabaho sa corporate life or can do the work at anywhere in the world. Ganon. So, ito yung mga bago. AI Professional Certificate, AI Essentials, Cybersecurity. Ang bago itong dalawa lang, AI at saka AI Essentials and then AI Professional Certificate. So, 2 years ago at 3 years ago, 2021, 2022, lumabas ito sila, IT automation, digital marketing and e-commerce, project management, UX design, IT support, and data analytics. And then a year after, lumabas ang cybersecurity, business intelligence, at saka the advanced data analytics. Ito yung sa data science path na talaga. Okay. So madami dito. Let's try the basic. For everyone, Okay? If you like uncovering trends and patterns, visualizations, dito kasi yung malaki ang pera sa data analytics. So, ito, with this platform, you can enroll here uh, uh, 7-day free access. So, with the 9 courses, kung pindutin natin ito, sure ako sa foundations, matatapos nyo to within 7 days kasi 13 hours lang ito. So with this, you'll learn, define and explain key concept involved in data analytics, including data analysis, and data ecosystems. So skills you'll gain, data analytics, SQL, data-driven decision making, the spreadsheet, analytical skills, data ethics, data visualization. So, ang instructor is Google people. Okay, this is offered by Google. So, as an example with this, wait. Ah, pakita ko na lang. Okay. Ah, LinkedIn. Okay. Aha. So, if you go to this, so this is my LinkedIn profile. This is the evidence of time and dedication, and lakihan natin. Ayan. So, by the way, this is the post, uh, the community that I started building here in Jansan, my hometown. So, we started with at Chocoreto every Fridays. So, ito yung first cohort, the series of events na gagawin namin. And eventually, each of these will start their own Google communities in every coffee shops, in every hotel lobbies in town, and co-working spaces. Everyone is welcome, okay? To participate, just comment on the comment section, okay? So this is my LinkedIn. By the way, I am Ronald, the founder and the CEO of Lemniscate Data Analytics, Data Information Technology Solutions. So balik tayo sa main page ko to find the certificates in connection with uh ano ta Eto, sa credentials na side, medyo malalim na 'to, pero hanapin natin yung sa data analytics. If you're going to work kasi in corporate, LinkedIn is the only key for you to find jobs or to lead into something, to land contracts, gano'n. Bakit hindi lumalabas? Bakit hindi lumalabas sa mga certificates ko, my goodness. Ah, ito sample na lang, kasi I have, people management essentials, so pakita natin ito, ayan. So ito yung sample ng isang certificate. Ah, so with data analytics, ilalabas yan dito. So this is one course, create a high-performing team, set and achieve team goals, support individual growth, and grow as a manager. So this is Google People Management Essentials. I think November lang 'to lumabas, hosted on Coursera. So balik tayo sa LinkedIn, ayan. Ba't ayaw lumabas ng mga certificates? My goodness. Be. ito. Pwede dito. Pwede ko ma-access yung data analytics na certificate. Ayan. BI, ah, ano to? Advanced data analytics yan. This one, wait. Meron ba dito? This is just the badge. Wait. Project management, advanced data analytics, Google BI, my goodness. Bakit hindi ko na-upload yung ay, wait. Try natin. Second attempt, last attempt. This is the downside if you have a lot of technical certifications. The first one should be the sweetest, but it is the last thing that you're going to find in a stack of a lot of certificates. Uy, LinkedIn, what happened to you? Ayan, it's loading. Yan. So, ito siya. Ito naman with Google Cloud na to lahat. So, lalabas dito is new tab. Wait, saan siya nag-open? Open in new tab. Ay, sus. Nagaloko-loko. Ayan, lumalabas na sila. So, with data analytics, ito siya. So, ito sample ha. For the foundations, in new window tayo. Ayan. Hoy, bakit ayaw nyo lumabas? Sige na nga, ito oh. Yan. Ayan. So, for the foundations, ito. Yung sabi ko sa inyo na you can access it freely for 7 days through Coursera. Sure ako sa 16 hours na yon, you'll gain this certificate. And yung mga skills that you're going to gain, saan na yun? Ah, ayan. Dito, ito pala, balik tayo. So, ito yon. You'll gain, ah, kasi, foundations pa. Wait. Balik tayo sa foundations. Ito. Yan. With foundations, you'll gain data literacy, analytics, data sharing, data cleaning, analysis, SQL, data processing, data-driven decision making, the Tableau software, the spreadsheet, yung uh, sheets.google.com, yon Google Sheets. Tapos data visualization, dahil pala. So yon and data ethics. Okay? Tools you'll learn is the query language. Ang meaning ng SQL ang tawag niyan, structured query language. So, SQL is used kapag lumampas na sa million rows ang you cannot analyze it kasi na using the spreadsheets eh. Yun ang limitation niya. Hanggang 1 million rows lang. So with big data, billion rows sometimes yan, petabytes of data. So you should understand or learn the language for you to manipulate the data. Kasi masyado madumi yung every field niyan iba-iba. May seconds, may time, ganun. Depende sa klase ng data. So, madali lang siya. Madali lang siya kapag meron kang time to learn it. So, everything will be given beginner-friendly na approach. Okay? So, wag kayong matakot. So, yon. So, balik tayo. Yan. nagaloko-loko si ito, hanapin na lang natin yung course certificate ng data analytics for you to understand what you're going to get with Grow with Google. So ito, sa business intelligence ito, with this, kasi this is a license, a technical license, the credentials verification is automatically accepted to Credly. So Credly is the credentials verifications in the world. So diyan malalaman yung kung saan ka ba graduate, saan mo nakuha yung mga lisensya na ganyan, saan ka nagtapos, gano'n. Ah, in the first world country, it is basic thing yung Credly sa kanila. Dito sa atin, not every school are credited with Credly kasi may cost kasi ito na part eh. But with this, you will have your international certificate and license. Ito, may lalabas ba 'to? In new window. Alam ko na. Copy link. And ayan. Ba't ayaw? Yun na nga. Ah, case study. Ito, the specialization certificate. Okay. 'Di ba kanina yung foundations lang siya na certificate, one course. This one, ayan. So, dito siya. Ito na yung diploma mo. So, contents ng data analytics, it has 8 courses. So, foundations. First, next phase is ask. Next is prepare, process, analyze, share. And then, uh, analysis with R programming nakalagay dito. And then, uh, there is a capstone. So, yun yung kwan talaga, parang OJT side mo while doing this certificate. Ako, I started with this certificate March of 2022 ata. I think. March of 2022 natapos ko siya. Dapat 1 month lang kasi may advance ako na track. Parang refresher lang 'to sa akin. But nasira kasi yung AirPods ko. Dito kasi with data analytics, it's like you're watching a video. There's quizzes, gano'n, gano'n, and there's exam. Very interactive siya. During that time, I was just using an old iPad Pro na 10.5, gano'n. Nabuhay ako na gano'n. I did programming using just the iPad. Kasi hindi pa na ako sanay gumamit ng desktop for so long. I was living for a decade since 2010, 2011. iPad talaga ang main device ko, gano'n. So, and ang grade ko sa data analysis with R programming was taas, 95 ata, the lowest, gano'n. So, you can code pala using just a tablet. It doesn't matter. So, kinaganda because it is a browser based. You can finish the certificates. This certificate and the rest of the certificates offered by Grow with Google. Depende sa availability. Basta bigger screen siya. The phone, I don't know, with the foundation siguro, you can do it. Instead of, pero dapat naka-optimize talaga eh. Madami kasing attention retention panulize if you're holding your phone eh, the notifications from time to time. So, ganun. So, may pakita pa pala ako sa inyo. What is Credly? Yung Credly, di ba? So, Credly is the credentials verification in the international uh, uh, Eto. So, dito siya papasok lahat. So, this will justify what careers, what licenses you have, uh, like this with Google Cloud, puro ito mga skills badges. So, andito lahat, kailan mo siya nakuha, sino nag-issue, issued to who, accepted when, ano, ganun. So, ito lahat. Hindi na kasi napepeke ngayon ang hindi na siya nabibili sa rekto. So, ito ang kinaganda with Credly. So, may mga gano'n. Hindi mo siya mapeke. So, kung kailan mo siya natapos, gano'n. What's inside, anong counterpart niyan, gano'n. So, this is kanang the counterpart of a real education. So if you are in on a for the parents na nasa STEM background yung mga anak nila, option mag-career gap muna sila, ganon. And then give this options for a year. Ito mga career certificates na to. And eventually, as young as they are, they will have a career in tech. Kasi yun na talaga ang ngayon number one hinahanap. With the young generation, madali sa kanila mag-learn ng ganito. And LinkedIn is there to land their first job. So, ito ang magle-leverage ng kanilang connection in the international field. You can find work here directly to employers, to any CEO in town, to any hiring managers. Dito lang lahat. So if you're a professional business people, whatever, if you are a CEO or a hiring manager, andito lahat. So makikita mo yung mga backgrounds nila kasi LinkedIn is the professional network building site. It is owned by Microsoft. Uh-huh. It is the platform of the tech people and the not so tech people. Ganon. Kasi dito na, naka-plaster na lahat ang mga work experiences mo, education, and everything. The experiences, education, affiliation, licenses and certification, the skills, awards, whatever. So, hindi na uso ngayon yung mga curriculum vitae and on paper, ganon. So, if you want to land a career and work anywhere in the world, well, that is technology to be the first thing dapat na nasa checklist mo. So, ganun lang. So, this is the first launching video for the Lemniscate and Grow with Google. Okay? So, konting advertisement lang. Uh, let's go to wait. Balik tayo sa LinkedIn pala. LinkedIn. Yan. May link ako dito from the last post. So we can use it. Can we? Wala sa... ito! Pwede. Ito. Try natin to. Kasi Facebook ang link nito eh. Ayan. So, ito yung mga campus tours ko before. Yan. Anyways, let's go to my Facebook page na lang. Ang mga engagements ko. Where's Facebook? Ayan. And then let's go to the profile. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Ayan. Ayan. So, as a community, Google Community Organizer, my firm Lemniscate has dedicated to 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 teach the new to the non-tech and the old non-tech people to go back to the tech industry. Yun talaga yung goal ko why I buhos. I spend my time with this engagement and endeavors. So ito, wag na to. Yan. Uh, this is Build with AI last April 12 sa Thailand, okay? Kasi Build with AI has provisions for the cloud credits since February of this year. It will end this month, May 31. So yun, ayun. So ito pakita ko sa inyo yung ito, kompleto ba 'to? Yan. So this was in Davao, December 22 re-uploaded. Then November, this is November in the hackathon. ICT Davao Incorporated presents AI Hackathon. I was one of the judges that time. So this is Nikhil of Bayanihan Ventures, OpenX AI, forgot his name. Basta his Aussie. Ganon. And the rest. Okay. Wait. Lala, ayaw nang bumalik. Ayan. Ay, wala na ako update pala dito sa Kwan. Ito sa Google Gemini Arena, wala na ako update niyan. So, at ito, magkasabay yun na event, the Google Developers Group last November. Kailan nga to? It was November yon. I was one of the speakers that time. So, this one is with Converge. Nanalo kami dito ng 65-inch na TV together with the Hack Dogs. So, si Tirso, si Klein, and then bro, nakalimot ko sa imong name na isa. Si Gian, yan, the Hack Dogs. Okay. Ayan, mga machine learning engineers ito sila at saka mga AI engineers. Okay. So, salamat Converge for inviting us sa Tagay and bag the 65-inch na Samsung TV. Okay. This one naman is with STI. I was a host at during this time. Bebe, full screen natin.
I declare these four college fair and symposium open.
So, ayun. College Fair. Ayan. So, ito mga pinanggawa ko.
I declare these four college fair.
So ito naman, let's take a deep dive with yung sa arcade. Okay. With the skills arcade, yan. So ang goal ko lang talaga nito last time was, huy, was to get a jacket. Pero hindi ko rin siya magagamit sa Jensen. So binigay ko siya. So, I because of time and dedication, despite I hate coding, nakuha ko yung Champions Milestone. Meron pa 'to isang photo, eh. Ito. Ay hindi ito, premium 'yan, eh. Yung Champions Milestone is mas premium pa talaga diyan. Premium ay wala dito. Meron pala dito naka-unboxing ako dito on one of my matakot ba mga tao or not? No! No, dapat hindi matakot. Kasi this was my interview with SMNI during the ICT Davao Inc. I forgot hosted at Dusitani Hotel in Davao. Ang guest speaker was the Vice President, si BP Inday. Ganun. Kasi hindi talaga basta nasa kwan ko lang, nasa wall. Okay. This is the college fair last November 28. So pagkahapon yan, I went to Davao and attended the Tagay annual conference of uh, Converge Mindanao. Okay. Ayan. So next is ayan. Ito yung sa Google Developers Group DevFest. Okay. So ito naman. Ayan. And then this is Tirso of UP Mindanao, part of Hack Dogs. Ayan. Ayan. Bebe, saan na yun? Saan yung mga campus tours ko? This is Sip and Scale sa Davao. Ito yung mga community building engagement ng mga Davao people, mostly led by Ateneo Pips. Yan, kudos to them. Malaki talaga ang tulong ng mga community developers eh. So that's why dapat meron every city may gumagawa na ganyan. Coming from the campus down to professionals. So another one is this, yun. Ito, yan. Oh, AI Frontier pala yun. Kalimot na ko last year. Okay. So, yan. Ito yung, ano ba to? Okay. With Davao Young Executive, they hosted me for Grow with Google doon sa, I forgot the venue. Nakalimot na ko. Bebe, may venue ba to? Ha? Ito, Kota, sa Kota Study Center, okay. Salamat sa Kota for hosting me that time. Hindi na ako nakabalik sa Davao for the past months kasi na busy with different projects. Okay. Ito, this is my close to heart na kasi nakailang sessions ako dito sa kanila with campus tour tapos nag-training with the faculty. Ganon. Ito yung mga philanthropic engagement ng Lemniscate. Okay. So, yon. My first, this one, Cornesia, the sister school of Kwan, of GFI. Okay. GFI has 9 sister schools, 9 campuses, the Nonagon. Okay. This one with STI Jansan. Ayan. So, very selective ang kwan, ang pinuntahan na campus tour. The first one was with Stratford in Jensen. Yun lang. So, yun. Before naging formal ako na community organizer, nauna na ako. Because I understand the job, of a, ano ba 'to, of these kinds of endeavors. So, ayan. Ano nga ito? The Scholars. So, si John Chris. Sana yung Juan, yung this one. Gusto ko pa pakita. Ayan. So, i-full screen natin. So, ang laman is wait. Ayan. Iba talaga kapag unboxing 'no, tapos yung pinaghirapan mo. The quality is 720p, wala na, maximum 720p auto. Paano ko 'to ma-move? Ayan, inside. Ayan, what's the dito, ayan. So, I got the Champions tier. Kailan 'to nga? Nakalimutan ko, 2024? But I got this one, wait. Tingnan muna natin kailan na-upload. April na. April ko na siya na-receive. Okay. Yan. So, what's inside? So, this is priority mail. DHL. Tama, naka-DHL ito. Yan. Pinag-initan pa to ng customs. Ng goodness. Yan. So, ito ang laman. So, everyone can really learn and become a champion. Sky's the limit with the technology that we have right now, as simple as an old laptop. Hindi ako talaga nagpan pa that time na nag-invest. Okay. Gamit ko pa nun during that time was an old TV. Ganon. So, basta may oras ka lang talaga na kwan, gusto talagang matuto, the platform is available. And ang daming magtuturo ko. Ayan, may Philippine Airlines pa, umilipad talaga. Ay, wala. Ayan. So, this is the Cloud Arcade Swag. This is the Champions tier. Coming from a person who doesn't want to code. Okay? Hindi kasali ang MacBook na. May petsa talaga April 10 na receive of 2025. This was? Wait. Ayun, tama. This is my second package pala. This is my second package na from Google Cloud. Google Cloud Arcade, yan. Kaya nag-goal ako on the second may facilitative program. Ay goal ko talaga yung Champions tier. Kaya ang dami ng mga technical badges ko because of Google Cloud Arcade. Hindi siya naging accident bakit andun yun. So, para lang ako naglalaro, pero I'm gaining technical licenses and badges while doing it. Yung naging na-familiarize ko na ang Google ecosystem at saka yung Google Cloud console at saka the rest of the products. So ito yung harvest na after my professional cloud architect na cohort journey na di-push through ko talaga, I challenge myself. Uh, if naging putyo-putyo ka na estudyante in the past, you can be a different person uh, if in the current situation because there is a platform talaga for you to excel. No room for mediocrity. So, ganun. So, yan. So, ito yung harvest. And ito yung parang exciting siguro na part sa mga new developers around the city. And basta, enjoy. Ang nagturo sa akin itong Google Cloud Arcade was my Indonesian friend. Kasabay ko siya sa cohort through the professional cloud architect journey last 2024 ata. Nag-start May to June of 2024. Yun. Kasi takot pa ako that time to challenge myself with technology. Eh. Kasi I didn't know what the cloud is about. Ganun. Ayan. Nasa page ko lang to lahat. Nasa personal page ko at saka sa Langis State na page. Again, this is a technical recording, rehearsing, and preparation for launching the digital side of Lemniscate, hosting live stream for the community. Uh, Together with the Google Southeast Asia team for Google for developers in connection with the Google Developers Group around Mindanao. So Lemniscate is dedicated to share the platform to host any cohort or series of events as long as may mga conduit tayo at saka mga willing to to pass it on. Okay, so for now, may kilala kayo ng mga coffee shops dyan who badly need for marketing. I'll be gladly able to help you and bring people there. You don't have to pay me, okay? I will help you boost your business and bring people there para dyan sila matuto at mag-aral. So as long as you have a good internet connection, walang problema yan. You will create a community of digital nomads. Let's maximize the city. Ganun. Medyo sawa, medyo pagod na kasi magtrabaho sa bahay. Gusto na, dapat kuan na, magmingle na tayo. Yan. Ito kasi masyado itong malaki. Binigay ko rin ito. ang mga portable kasi na mga MacBook is 13-inch lang eh. So masyado itong malaki for a 13-inch. Yan. So ang naiwan lang sa akin dito sa package na to, yung ginagamit ko lang. The rest, because kung itago ko lang, that is the definition of grace. So I give it away for those that I know na can make use of it. Okay? So ito, yan. What's next pa ba? Mhm. Enjoy jud mag-unboxing, no? Wala kang rin. Unsa sunod? Nakali nakalimot na ko. Ay na lang jud. Ayan, there's the jacket, the ano 'to? So, nakadawat sa jacket, hello. Kasi hindi ko rin 'to magagamit sa kainit sa siyudad. So, I gave it away. Hmm, ayan, ballpens, so nakadawat sa ballpens, hello. Ang naiwan lang sa akin ata dito is itong cleaner, multipurpose cleaner. Ayan. Nindot ba yan na ilang mga ballpens? Pero namo ko yung mga ballpens ko in all one, ballpoints. Ayan. Itong magnetic na cups, ayan, the cleaner. Ito, very useful talaga ito. Kasi multipurpose na cleaner. Ayan. What's next? Ayan. Okay. Panglinis. Okay. Ayan. Hello sa nakadawat sa mug. Bakit ko binibigay ang mga ganito? Kasi hindi ako mahilig magkape. Wala akong patience mag-antay lang. Mag-cool down ang kape. Nindot ba yan eh? Kay, kuwan ba na timer, tapos magnetic na ito. Ayan. O, diba? USB-C charger. Ganon. Ang pinakagusto ko sa lahat is the desktop clock na emoji. Kasi may motion sensor ito. The alarm clock I don't use. Alobat. Okay. But this is my favorite one device. Gamit na gamit ko talaga to everyday. Kasi may ambient light sensor ito eh. So ganun lang. So this is the Google Cloud Arcade Swags. So yon. Okay. General Luna. Wala na. Auto show. So I'm going to end this. So this is the and again, balik lang kayo doon sa sa main page. Ang Facebook page ko pala is this one. Hanapin niyo lang 'to, Lemniscate. Ayan. So, pero somehow may professional profile, ay may personal profile is the professional profile as well. Hindi ko masyado na-leverage itong Lemniscate na page, eh, running as a one-person corporation. So, hindi rin. So, that would be all. So, I hope everyone interested to grow with Google, Lemniscate will help you get there. Okay, that would be all.